everybody, today I'm going to tell you what I do with my OLC. Well, this is just one of my uses that I have it for, and that is to clean my jewellery. So what I do is I just put one pump into a container like this. Please note this is one of the old candle containers. It has many other uses afterwards. And you have your jewellery and you pop it in there. I've got some rings in here and some earrings. Leave it soaking sort of in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes and just give them a little swish around. You can also do this during a demonstration if you're doing a facial or a makeover for somebody. At the beginning you can pop their rings into a little jar of OLC and leave them soaking, and at the end give them a little clean for your guests, and they absolutely love it. So what we do is just take them out one by one, give them a little brush with the disposable mascara wand or even a child's toothbrush. This disposable mascara wand works really well. This is one of the diamond rings that was an incentive from the company, which I absolutely adore. My favourite pieces of jewellery. Give it a little rinse and a clean, a wipe. And there you go, you've got beautiful sparkling jewellery. So that's just one of the uses that you can have with your OLC. Enjoy.
So I thought I'd give our NutriClean All-Purpose Cleaner, OLC, a go with my jewellery today. Give it a bit of a polish up. I haven't done it for quite some time, so just using a toothbrush and a bowl of water with a little bit of OLC in it. Can you see? Man, I haven't cleaned them for a while, but what a good job that the OLC did, because look how sparkly the rings have come up, which is really cool. So that's just one of the uses for OLC.